Hey, Gary here with 30-Minute Marketing. The key to getting traffic, a traffic tip for you, is the fact that 89% of customers begin their buying process with a search engine. 89% of customers, that means people that are looking to buy. Buyer intent keywords is what we're talking about in this video, and I'm going to break it down here and show you a few of them and how to actually use them in both Google searches as well as YouTube searches. Of course, you know I like to utilize the top strategy and utilize YouTube, because if you use YouTube and you use these traffic buyer intent keywords, these will also rank on Google. So we have low purchase intent keywords. We're going to start right there. This is where you start, and you really start about the buyer's journey because they're looking for free stuff. This typically means that they're searching for a free trial offer. Let's go over to Google and take a quick look at what I mean by this. Free funnel builder. This is a person that's looking for a funnel builder, but they're not quite ready, or maybe they haven't made the decision to go all in and make a purchase. So we take a look at the search results, and you can see here there are ads for funnel builders, and then there is content, and then you got it right. There are videos. Again, these videos are on YouTube, and the intent here is someone is looking for a funnel builder, but they're not quite ready to buy. They're still looking for free resources, or they're looking for a trial offer for a funnel builder to get started. We'll go back and we'll keep going with these traffic buyer intent keywords, and then we'll move on and we'll look at informational keywords. Is, and you can see the product or the word product in brackets. Is product, does product. They're looking for more information. They've moved past the low purchase intent keyword of looking for free alternatives or maybe that trial subscription. Now they're asking the question, is this the best product? Does this product meet the requirement that I need? For example, if we go to Google and we take a look, is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels in this case being a funnel builder. Is ClickFunnels worth it? A website builder, legit, good for SEO. They're asking questions around the intent of using the funnel builder. Specifically, is it good for SEO? Meaning they're thinking, I want to use this funnel builder, but I need it to rank when I create my pages. Again, informational keywords, low purchase intent keywords, and we're using this example on Google. But take this to YouTube and you see the same idea, the same concept. And remember, when you create videos on YouTube, they also rank over on Google. That is an important traffic tip to take away from this video. But let's focus more on these traffic buyer intent keywords. We'll go ahead and we will move to product search keywords. They're moving down. They've decided they are asking about the free options. They're asking about the pricing. They're asking, does this product do, for example, SEO the way I need it to do? Now, product search keywords. Is this the best product, or are these the best products, or what is a list of the best products in the same category? Here you can see best funnel builder for affiliate marketing. This is what's considered a long tail keyword, because they're not just looking for the best funnel builder, they're looking for the best funnel builder for affiliate marketing. Here, of course, you see the ads. That means people are searching for this because advertisers are putting their money where their mouth is, and they're adding this to the top of the search results. You can also see here, people ask, these are additional buyer keywords that you want to dig into, but you start with these root or these core keywords and you take a look at these results. And again, you can see here videos, as well as you can see me here smiling on a thumbnail, the best free funnel builder for affiliate marketing. You can see that video ranking on the search results. Again, this is the concept or the idea of using keywords as the key to getting traffic, and that's what we're talking about here. When we go back now, we are looking at buy now keywords. As an example, how much? This is where they're actually now decided, after they've gone through the process of looking for free alternatives or free resources, asking more in-depth questions about what the product does. Is this the product? Is this the right product for me? Product search, is this the best, or what are the best in class? Now, buy now keywords are how much. As you can see here, how much is ClickFunnels, or how much does ClickFunnels cost? Here, just like over at Google, you'll see a list of ads because people are searching for this and advertisers know that and they want to be at the top of the search results. Then you'll see the free or the organic content or the people posting the videos talking about the pricing plans, in this case for ClickFunnels. Take that over to Google. How much is ClickFunnels? You can see here again an ad or two ads, and then you actually have a snippet here where it comes out and it says exactly how much it costs. And you can see the pricing tables from ClickFunnels themselves, ranking organically for that buyer intent keyword, because ClickFunnels know that when someone types in how much is ClickFunnels, they are really close to buying. Back here, we have our buyer intent keywords, but the core or the ultimate free traffic buyer keyword is right here. Take a look at this one. And the ultimate free traffic buyer keyword is the product name and review. Take that back to YouTube, type in ClickFunnels review. Again, you're going to see the same types of videos, and you'll also notice some videos here. And if you were to go back and look at this, you could probably find that someone like Builderpreneur has actually been one of the top ClickFunnels affiliates for quite some time. So that makes that the ultimate free traffic buyer keyword, product name review. I also cover this here on the channel when I talk about launch jacking, utilizing this keyword of review. When there is a new product that comes out the market, you can ride the wave of this product being brought to market, because once they bring it to market and people realize that it is for sale, they want to see a review of the product so they can see exactly what's inside, because the ultimate free traffic buyer keyword is the idea that you are looking for this traffic because this product is hot. People are aware of the product. They just now want very specific details inside of a review from a trusted source. Of course, if you go to Warrior Plus, you can see exactly how I do this. Go ahead and take a look at the affiliate daily stats. Once that comes up, we'll go ahead and we'll go to the last 30 days. That loads up and you can see 100K a year made simple, as well as the white label birthday blowout. You can see the money that I made here from those reviews. $315.53, $294.42 from those two. And if you were to pop over to 30-Minute Marketing and check out the channel, you would see that there is a review video right here of 100K a year, as well as some reviews about owning your own digital product, which is this product right here, the white label birthday blowout. That was essentially a review for that product, as well as the 100K a year made simple, which is the ultimate free traffic buyer keyword, because that is free traffic looking for the ultimate buyer. Type in the name, product name, and review. Check out these traffic buyer intent keywords and think about these. Utilize these traffic tips, utilize these key keywords when you're creating your content, and you will get those people, the 89% of those customers that are buying or start their buying process utilizing the search engine. We're talking about YouTube and we're talking about Google in this video. If it was helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Check out the link in the description for more information about the top strategy and how I utilize this, utilizing these types of keywords, traffic buyer intent keywords, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.